Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Full Blast Garage, and on this one, we're walking through the second largest swap meet in the state of Texas, Conroe Swap Meet. Happens twice a year, and hope you guys enjoy just a little bit of commentary from me while we walk around this swap meet. As you guys can see, it's a little bit of everything. Square bodies everywhere. This might have been the nicest truck I saw the entire day. Just flawless. Got a transformer and a Mercury. Little blazer action, and it's a 79 or an 80, can't tell.
Awesome looking.
Definitely want to pick up one of those, that body style. Who doesn't love a bug, especially convertible? Lots of race cars out here. This might have been the buy of the whole swap meet. Pretty reasonably priced. This thing here was super eye-catchy. Got a little tiny bike. Kids Power Wheel section. I like the rickshaw looking thing that just drove by. That's awesome. I guess people want to buy old titles? I don't know. Pedal cars, old tools. Get your lady some jewelry, some wind chimes. It's just vast. There's stuff everywhere. Cool looking wagon. Oh, there it is, Poverty Tour. 2025 ride. The couple that I sold it to, I think they have it up for sale again. Pretty cool seeing that out in the wild. But this thing screams Poverty Tour 2026 for anybody. Really nice wagon. B-body. All the Impala parts fit right on it. White vet, red interior, come on now. Practically sells itself. Felt guilty about this one. I was going to help, and then they got it right at the last second. That wood frame is about 4 times the weight of that Corvette. Little Le Mans action. Super clean square body. Really good color too. $45,000. That one's $54,000. They're proud of it. She's got a big block. Ooh, the Lamborghini. So this is some sort of Countach. I mean, the thing looks so good, it makes me almost think it's real, but it's got a Chevy LT1 in the back. Like the old LT1 that came in the Vettes and Impalas. Need some headers. Or some wheels. Pretty good prices. Slam bourbon. Rusty stuff everywhere. Wagoneer. Dude on a scooter. Love the color combo on that square body. That C10 there beside it's pretty nice. I guess beer doors are a thing. Spotted this race truck, some flames on it. You know it's fast, but I was really looking at this cab over. Really cool. Yeah, if you guys could interact with the channel anyway, we'd super appreciate it.